Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Chad Omet, meteorologist with the National Weather Service in Topeka, with a briefing for what we can expect across northeast Kansas for Friday, especially Friday night and into early Saturday, for the potential of some wet snow across the area. What we expect to happen, essentially some key points to remember. We do expect drizzle, possibly some freezing drizzle, to develop early Friday morning, and that will eventually change to rain during the day Friday. And that rain is going to change back to snow possibly later Friday afternoon and into Friday night. Generally speaking, all of this is going to happen east of a Council Grove to Manhattan to Marysville line. The start time of the precipitation, freezing drizzle may start as early as 6 a.m. Friday morning, and that will change over to just plain old rain. Then wet snow perhaps redeveloping by 4 to 6 o'clock in the afternoon on Friday. Peak intensity time looks like this time anywhere from 5 p.m. to midnight Friday night or thereabouts, and then ending anywhere from about midnight to 3 a.m. Saturday morning across the area. Confidence at this point in time, the timing of the precipitation, moderate confidence, start time likely anywhere from 6 to 8 a.m. for drizzle or freezing drizzle. The location, low to moderate. Again, freezing drizzle, wet snow is possible anywhere east of a Council Grove to Manhattan to Marysville line. The potential of heavier accumulating snow at this point in time, and the confidence in that is low. Precipitation type is low as well. It's going to begin as freezing drizzle, changing to rain, and eventually perhaps back to snow. Now, the accumulation amounts, the confidence is low because we're uncertain exactly when the rain is going to change back to snow, and that will determine how much snow accumulation that can occur Friday night. And so at this point in time, unfortunately, confidence is low in terms of the type of precipitation and subsequent amounts, just because we're not sure how fast that rain will change back to snow Friday evening. At this point in time, the snowfall forecast, highly uncertain, but this is the best forecast at this point. Anywhere from Emporia to Manhattan, perhaps trace to an inch. As you head northeast towards Topeka, a little bit more, an inch or two, and then certainly as you head east towards Lawrence and into Kansas City, more, potentially 2 to 4 inches northeast of Topeka towards Lawrence, and even higher amounts as you head towards the Kansas City metro area. However, this is highly uncertain at this point. Like I said, the confidence is low, and this is really dependent on how fast the rain changes to snow Friday afternoon into Friday night. The snowfall forecast is certainly subject to change, so stay tuned for updates on that. The main impacts really going to be to travel if and when the snow starts to accumulate on roads Friday night. DOT, Kansas DOT, Department of Transportation, has a great website, 511 website there. Check that out. It'll give you information on the roads, road conditions, and even let you look at the cameras to see what the roads look like. Potential for slick roads, especially bridges, overpasses Friday night and into early Saturday morning. So again, that's what we expect at this point. Stay tuned for additional updates later tonight, and especially during the morning hours on Fridays. We should have a better feel for what exactly is going to happen and how much snow potentially we could see.